1959 Nash Metropolitan 1500 series convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1500 series comes from the engine size. It's actually a 1489 cc engine, rounded up 1500 cc. It's an inline 4-cylinder. These vehicles were actually built in England by Austin, it was, I believe, and then marketed through American Motors, of course, here in the States. 3-speed manual on the column. Take a look at the chrome, bright work up front. Grille with the Metropolitan medallion on the center. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures of this vehicle, over 100 pictures online. Underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, you'll be able to see it all. You can call us 507-386-1726. Now, we have had this vehicle running, driving on our frontage road out and around the shop over to our detail department. But if you're going to take it for kind of any amount of time, distance, it's one you probably want to go through, get it closer to home. So it will be a kind of running, driving, and need a little TLC. You want to announce that. Owner says price it accordingly. Represent it the way it is. So here you go. And as you can see, the paint shows well. Is it perfect? No. But does it show well? Absolutely. What I mean is, you have a few little spots like this, or maybe a scuff, maybe a spot that's touched up. But again, overall, you can see the yellow has a nice shine to it, as does the white. Car you can get into without breaking the bank, and you're in the classic car hobby. And you don't see a ton of them. Kind of have their cult following. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video and let you hear it run. And then don't forget about the driving video. It will be a driving video where you can kind of take a virtual ride along, if you will. As you can see, chrome on the rear bumper, spare mounted on the rear. We can take a peek in the trunk here. Nice little clean, tidy trunk area. That seat in the back actually will fold down to the back seat will fold forward. We're also going to put the top up here at the end of the video. It's a black vinyl top, manual top, in good shape. We'll check that out too. But first, let's check out this interior and get this thing running. So we have a cloth vinyl combination, a houndstooth, as you can see, black and white combo. And there is a rear seat. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. Of course, the convertible top cover. Very stock looking dash. Interesting way to start these. I'm going to turn the key here. And if I can get this in the shot, there you go, right there, starter pull. So let's pull. That's it. Original odometer, speedometer, it reads 23,086. Unfortunately, I can't confirm or deny that is original, just because once the car is a certain age, it's marked exempt of the title and doesn't follow the car itself or with the title. The radio does power up. As you can see, I haven't really played around with it or gotten any stations or anything, but it does power up. So the door closes and fits nice. The body's not in bad shape. Listen to it. What you'd expect out of a 1500 cc. Little inline 4-cylinder. All right, let me pause this a second, get the hood open, check out that engine bay. Underside of the hood. There it is. And you'll be able to see close-ups of all the plates, stampings, castings. Those will all be in the still pictures also. smooth runner, sounds good. And remember, like I said, we've had this one driven around in the frontage road parking lot over our detail department. Put a few miles on it before any long-term driving, or going to put a few miles on. Going to need a little bit of TLC, go over it. Let's take a look at that top, see what kind of shape that's in. And then don't forget, stick around to the end of the video and kind of see what it's like going down the road in this car. And here it is with the top up. So black vinyl top. Take a look above the windshield. Nice fit. Roll the side glass up so you can see. Pretty good fit there also. Clear rear windows. Haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes really. Just a little small wear spot there, but not much at all. Snaps, I did notice there was one that was broke, but I don't think there's going to be any problem with this keeping you out of the sun, or maybe out of a brief shower, whatever the need may be for it. Side glass on this side, good fit, and back above the windshield. 1959 Nash Metropolitan convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1959 Nash Metropolitan. One of those very small cars. And actually, I do fit in it pretty well. I'm 6'1", and it's not too small for me. This is a convertible, and we do have the top down. It is a 3 on the tree. A little bit unique the way that a ball pivot joint is mounted at the dash where the shift handle comes in, but other than that, it works the same as any 3 on the tree manual transmission that you've ever driven. I was able to get some sound out of the radio, so it does pick up AM stations. It's a smooth running little car, starts right up, purrs really nicely. Our speedometer is working, showing almost 55 miles an hour right now. Fuel gauge is reading a little over half. Yeah, some traffic coming up behind us. If I let go of this wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. There's a little bit of play in the steering wheel, but it's not enough to be of any trouble. Accelerates as you would expect for a small engine and a small car from 1959. Comfortable bench seat in this car. One of those very rare cars you don't see very many of, and this one, though it may be a project, is a very good project. It's already ready to go down the road. From what I can tell by feel here, and from looking at it, it's good looking too. Take a look at all the pictures and read about this Nash Metropolitan at UniqueClassicCars.com.